Union Pacific calls her the living legend. She's the last new steam locomotive delivered to the railroad, arriving from the American Locomotive Company's Schenectady, New York plant in December 1944. She was the final example in a long line of steam passenger power that began with the completion of the first transcontinental railroad in 1869. At the dawn of the 20th century, 10-wheelers were the top-of-the-line passenger locomotives pulling UP's crack limiteds. These would soon be replaced by high-stepping Pacific types. By the 30s, the 484 Northern types had been developed as a powerful high-speed passenger locomotive. With its long distances and heavy trains, the type was just what Union Pacific needed. The result was the first of the 800s, the 20 FEF1 Class 484s of 1937. They were superb performers, able not only to pull heavy passenger trains at high speed, but also capable of handling freight assignments when called upon.